I'm stylish. Glock talk, big t-shirt, Billy. Watch on my wrist, but I want that diamond.
I'm willing to wait for it.
My name, my age, my favorite color, my height, my sign. Do I have a lover?
Before the moment's gone, number one, by the anthem. Yeah.
And you know what? You did such a great job. Hey, look at me, Hey, look at me. I'm very proud of you. I'm very, very proud of you.
My favorite person is my mom. She's a really good person.
Sure, Blitzo.
The O is silent now, bitch.
1, 2, 3, they're gonna run back to me.
Climbing over mountains and a sailing overseas. 1, 2, 3, they're gonna run back to me.
They always wanna come, but they never wanna leave my exes. And the oh-oh-ohs, they haunt me. Like a ghost, they want me to make oh-oh-oh, they won't let go.
She keeps on texting me. Do I like her? No, definitely. I'm just like Stephanie. Do I like her? Yes, especially. She keeps on texting me. Do I like her? No, definitely. I'm just like Stephanie. Do I like her? Yes, especially.
You must tell her the truth before it's too late. Tell her the truth. Tell her the truth so that she will watch the stars through tears instead of following the one cold star that is her destiny. No, Elbe.
Like a box of chocolate, so a Glock holding 30, your hollow. Just better watch who you hang around, my nigga, cause I seen it, every one of your squad can switch. DB, SB, 3272, nigga, that's my pod, little GL, OBEABB.
How did you get past security? His fortress is impenetrable.
Door was unlocked.
Son of a bitch!
Damn, kid. Who taught you how to do that?
Walk out the door, drag my feet along the floor. Then I see you, you're walking across the campus. Cool professor studying romances. How am I supposed to pretend?
half your passes, you'll end up with molasses, cauterized with syrup and syrup and
I'll let you have sex with me.
I don't know what's wrong with me. I can't eat, can't sleep. Maybe I'm coming down with something.
Oh, I know what you've got. The L word.
Yeah, leprosy.
No, Sid, no. It's 4 letters. Starts with L, ends with E.
Aha! Lice.
No, Diego, my friend, is in love.
Oh, yeah, love.
Besides, he's too old for you. Negative. I love older men.
Funky little monkey, she's a twisted trickster. Everybody wants to be the sisters.